Why can I not create a wheel in Python? Here are the commands I am running. Also, I am running a Mac with homebrewed Python. Here is my setup.py script. This URL. I'm going absolutely crazy, I can't figure out why this wouldn't be working.
Install the wheel package first. The documentation isn't overly clear on this, but the wheel project provides a bdist_wheel command for setuptools, actually means the wheel package.
I also ran into the error message invalid command dist_wheel. It turns out the package setup.py used setuptools rather than setuptools. Changing it as follows enabled me to build the wheel.
Update your setup tools too. If that fails too, you could try with additional force flag.
I also ran into this all of a sudden, after it had previously worked, and it was because I was inside a virtual env, and wheel wasn't installed in the virtual env.
Update your pip first. For Python 3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.